Assalamu alaikum. My name is رەوان محەمەد. I'm from Nilofer Girls High School. I got the average 97.71 in Wizari exams, which makes me the 9th over Kurdistan region. And for that, I would like to give a small message and use the opportunity that I got for making you hear me today. All human beings have a message. So find your message, find your goals, set your priorities, and try to work for it and never give up, because it's gonna be easy if you think it's easy. So basically, it's your choice. And for that, I would also thank my parents and my school, firstly, and the staff here, and my teachers for always being available for me, and my classmates, friends, and also some special people who helped me throughout this journey. First person that comes to my mind is Maryam Dilawar. She was the first person who inspired me and always helped me through this trip, let's say. And also Heavy Wali, and also Arwa Sayed, Taban Bakshinda, and lastly Aisha Ala and Nariman. They were all the top students on Kurdistan, and I would like to thank them so much, because a grateful mind always attracts or is a magnet for miracles. Thank you.